another LANCOME unboxing. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. So here is the product description right here. LANCOME VIS SPF 20 Day TI Ultra 24 hours. Wow, $65.80. It has a quantity of 2. One is $32.90. So with tax and everything, $71.56 total. What? Are you kidding me? Did somebody just stole the product or what's going on? Hopefully my wife didn't get cheap or rip off from LANCOME. This is only one. Well, hopefully you guys liked this unboxing. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification. Drop in the comments down below. Not sure what's going on with her order, so cannot be this bottle for $65. It says 2 of them, so I don't know what's going on here. So she better check her credit card and find out what's going on. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always,